What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need a degree, a boss, or even a traditional job to make money online? What if the only thing standing between you and financial freedom is something you're ignoring right now? And no, it's not hard work. It's AI. In this video, I'm going to show you what digital AI hustle really is, how complete beginners are making money using AI, and how you can start even if you have zero experience. But here's the truth. If you skip this, you might miss one of the biggest opportunities of this decade. We were told our whole life, go to school, get a degree, get a job. But look around. People have degrees, but no income. Skills, but no direction. Time, but no opportunity. And the reality is, the system has changed, but most people haven't. Then came AI, and everything changed. Today, you don't need to be a designer to create designs. You don't need to be a writer to write content. You don't need to be an expert to start earning. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to empower those who use it. So, what exactly is digital AI hustle? It's simple. Using AI tools to create income online. People are doing it right now, creating content on YouTube, TikTok, and Reels, offering freelancing services like logos, copywriting, thumbnails, building stores with AI product research, creating automation systems, even launching AI-powered agencies. And the best part? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Because average people chase skills, but smart people build systems. Motivation fades, but consistency creates results. Your first video won't be perfect. Your first client might reject you. That's not failure. That's progress. Because learning alone won't change your life. Execution will. Let me tell you something real. There was a guy, no money, no skills, no connections. He started with AI. First month, $0. Second month, $50. Third month, $300. Today, over $2,000 per month. What changed? Not his talent, his decision. Listen carefully. AI will not replace you, but someone using AI will. This is your moment. You can keep scrolling, or you can start building. You can stay a consumer, or become a creator. The choice is yours. Digital AI hustle is not magic. It's an opportunity. Those who start today will lead tomorrow, and those who wait will regret. If you're serious about making money with AI, don't just watch, act. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment AI hustle below. Because in the next videos, you'll learn step by step how to go from zero to your first online income using AI. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Success in 2026 is not about working harder. It's about working smarter. The tools are here. The opportunity is real. The only question is, will you take action? Because the future doesn't wait. And winners don't ask for permission. They move. So start now. Start small, but start. AI voice suggestion. Male voice. Deep, calm, slightly slow pace. Confidence plus cinematic tone.